The way you thought it would. Heard you left with no goodbyes again. Put a hurt on Hollywood. Never been the fuss on, but I damn sure done my time trying to please.
Alright, I'm just comparing this kicker CS 6.5 to the BZRK coaxials.
When it seems like the whole world is against you, don't be afraid. Life is unkind. You can let go of the pain.
So, as far as sound checking them, the BZRK coaxials sound way better, way more clear. Not as much bass. The kickers definitely have more bass, but the clarity of these BZRKs are it's completely different. The kickers distort sooner, and these I crank the volume way up, and these never distorted once. Like I said, not as much bass, but who wants bass from a door speaker anyway?